significant, important or noteworthy. Example, climate change has a significant impact on global food security. Controversial, causing disagreement or debate. Example, genetic modification of crops remains a controversial topic in many countries. Inevitable, not able to be avoided or ignored. Example, the rise of automation makes job displacement inevitable in some industries. Consequence, a result or effect of an action. Example, overfishing has serious consequences for marine ecosystems. Sustainable, able to be maintained long-term without harming the environment. Example, governments should invest in sustainable energy sources like solar and wind. Globalization, the process of international integration. Example, globalization has led to both economic growth and cultural homogenization. Infrastructure, basic physical systems of a society, roads, schools. Example, developing nations often struggle with outdated infrastructure. Deteriorate, to become worse. Example, air quality in cities continues to deteriorate due to vehicle emissions. Innovation, a new method or idea. Example, technological innovation is key to solving modern healthcare challenges. Disparity, a difference or inequality. Example, there is a growing disparity between the rich and the poor in urban areas.